So hello guys, welcome to Astro Spirit channel. So we are going to cover the planet Sun today. I'm going to simply cover each and every planet, what their characteristics is, what their importance is, and how do we analyze the effect of such planets. So I'm going to start with Sun first. Why I'm taking Sun is there is a reason behind it, because Sun is the king of all planets. So you have to pay respects to the who is the king, right? That is why we always should consider Sun to be the most dominant of all planets. If you see your calendar, most of these calendars will have Sunday as the first day. Why? We all follow a cycle of Monday to Friday, but still Sunday is the first day declared there. So they do know that, and they do pay their respects to Sun. They know the dominance of Sun, and that is why it is actually been created like that. And same we should also apply in our lives, because we cannot disrespect the Sun. It is the king, and we should consider Sun to be the first day of the week, not Monday. And that is how we should actually try to live our life, considering Sunday to be the first day and Saturday to be the last day of the week. And that is how we should plan, so that Sun can become favorable in our lives. So starting with what the planet Sun signifies is, so what a king signifies is leadership, and that is what Sun will provide you. Sun provides you a lot of leadership qualities. If you are at any high positions in your organization or any kind of job that you are doing, it can happen with the blessings of Sun, because it also represents authority. A person having Sun strong in their chart will actually shine more, because this is one of the luminary planets that we have. Out of the 9 planets, there are only 2 luminary planets, that is the Sun and the Moon. Now if Sun is favorably placed in your chart, then you will shine, and you can be you can be a center of attention. Your efforts will be highlighted much earlier than others, and that is why it is actually a very lucky combination to have. Now Sun, we know that king is basically serving the peoples in society. So Sun will actually try to keep your thought process in that way, that you have to serve the peoples in this society, have to work for the society. If we see, now Sun is also the significator of your soul. Soul is your Atma. Atman is called as soul. So if there is a soul level suffering indicated in your chart, but Sun is strong, then you can get out of it with the help of Sun. And that is why Sun is there is no bigger suffering than a soul level suffering that you can go through in your life. And Sun can actually be the can provide you a path to get out of it. We know that there are 2 types of astrological systems. One is the North Indian astrology system, other is the South Indian astrology system. So South Indian astrology systems consider Sun to be the most important planet, because it signifies your soul, it purifies your soul. What all things Sun represents other than this are, like Sun is the karka for your first house. There are 12 houses in astrology, and the first house represents your personality, your health, and your reputation, basically. So if first house is not well placed in your chart, but Sun is strong, then your personality is still, that Sun is trying to save you. All these things that the first house signifies, Sun will try to save you. Also, if I say about the relations that you have, so Sun signifies your father. Anyone having Sun strong in the chart, there is a very high possibility that you will receive a very high amount of support from your father. Now if Sun is strong, See, basically you need to know such a simple analysis that whenever a planet is strong, it is very difficult for you to disobey that planet. Now if sun is strong, it simply means that you cannot go against the characteristics of sun. It will be very difficult for you. So the characteristics of sun is that you will not try to take shortcuts in your life. Whatever you will achieve in your life, you will try to achieve it through your hard work. You will not take any shortcuts or do any kind of a thing, because that can actually lead to loss of reputation. And for anyone having sun strong, the reputation, the self-respect of that person is actually very 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 important to them. They like their their personal, how people think about them. That is also what they care about. Now if I talk about why sun is considered a malefic planet, so there are 9 planets we know, and 4 of them are considered natural benefic planets. The other 5 are considered natural malefic planets. Sun comes under the category of a natural malefic planet, but it is the least malefic of all those. So I will talk about the other 4 also, which are much more effective than sun in terms of their malefic nature. So why is sun having, if it provides you these many good qualities, why is it actually considered a natural malefic planet? It is actually considered natural malefic planet because if you are at having a lot of authority, a lot of power with you, you can be egoistic, you can misuse your powers, and that is what, like, you will have a lot of self pride. Sometimes you can be overconfident of your powers and your whatever amount of authority that you have with you. So that is why, if sun is not favorably placed in the chart, these all negative qualities of sun can also be reflected into your personality. And that is why, even if it is weak, we can pacify the sun and try to make it strong, so that the good qualities of sun we can extract easily in our lives, and which will be a very good plus to us. Now sun, if it is placed in the first house, okay, so first house is basically your personality, so it will be very very dominant in your chart if it is actually placed in that house. So watch out for the combinations that you have in your horoscopes. Also, if sun is strong, as sun represents the government also, so you have a very good chance of getting any government job. I'm not saying you will surely get it, but like, if you see most of the politicians who are there, they have sun strong in their chart, because sun represents the kingship here right now in the present day is the government. So if you want favors from government, or if you have to serve the government or play an important role with the government, then sun should be strong, sun should support you. And that is why, sun is the first planet you should bow down to if anything is if you want to reach to high position, or if you want to, if your reputation is under some kind of pretense and you want to get out of it, sun is the first planet to pacify. And it is very easy, there are very easy remedies to pacify the sun. One of them is the Gayatri mantra. The other one is in the morning when you are offering some water to the sun, that is also quite effective. So that is all about the planet sun. I will one by one cover all the planets. The next planet that I am going to cover is moon. So please stay tuned with my channel, and do leave your comments for anything that you think I can improve in. Good luck guys, God bless you.